wears more of a grimace than a grin.
Every night we see something new from Nikola Jokic.
His game is no laughing matter. But he is rightfully called the Joker.
Nikola Jokic!
The Joker!
A three-time MVP who's so good, it's criminal. This city has heroes who fight in a garden of light and life. Joker comes to Gotham tonight.
We welcome you to NBA Wednesday, presented by State Farm.